Hello, Selena here. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Facebook for your daily content. But before we dive right in, I want to talk about where do we post? First, you want to understand what Facebook wants. When you open a Facebook account, there is a Facebook page and Facebook profile. Where do you choose? Facebook page is for running ads. Facebook will push out content when you're running ads. I've seen so many people struggling posting contents for years but no engagement, barely to be seen, not because the content is not good enough, simply because you're posting on Facebook page, which is dedicated for ads. If you want to post on Facebook organically, which means you're not ready to spend money on ads yet, you want to do it for free, then you should go with Facebook profile. This is where Facebook will push out organic content to everybody. The more you engage with other people, the more they will push out content to other people. So today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Facebook personal profile. Let's dive right in. So once you're inside your Facebook personal profile, you want to make sure you have professional mode turned on to enable the scheduling feature. So you want to click on your image icon, which will take you to your main profile. And then you want to look for those three dots and you click onto it. It will give you a drop down menu, but you want to make sure this one is turned on. If yours not turned on, make sure you turn on to enable the scheduling feature. So once we make sure the feature is turned on, we can just post regularly. Let's create a text post. You may not see it yet, but everything is quietly aligning in your favor. All right. And then let's give it a background. Let's say I wanted to choose, you can click on this and then it will give you many color options. So let's just pick one. All right, this one. And then you just click on next. And then it gives you options, scheduling options. You can choose publish now or schedule for later. You want to go with schedule for later. So in this case, let's schedule it for tomorrow, February 4, and then let's do it 9 o'clock in the morning. Just click save. It shows you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Scheduled. Voila, scheduled. It's done. So let's do another one. Let's do a photo this time. So you click on any photo you want on your desktop. You can also do this on your cell phone, by the way. It will be the same. As long as you have your professional mode turned on, you can either do it on your phone or on your desktop. So once you select the photo that you'd like to post, you click on next. And then also same thing, scheduling options. We'll do a schedule for later. And then we'll do it for tomorrow, 4 p.m. Save. Schedule. Done. And then you can view it right here. Your post is scheduled. You just click on view. You can also go to your professional dashboard and then it's under content. You'll see your content library. And this is all the content that I have already scheduled. So let's see if it showed up yet. If not, you just give it a refresh. There we go. So this is the one that we just scheduled for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Let's check. There we go. And we can also, if you want to pre-schedule your comment, you can do that as well. So let's say I wanted to schedule another image. If you're doing the comment letter post, this is exactly how you would do it. So this is my first piece, and then I'm just gonna post the second one, and then posting, and just keep doing this. So now we have everything scheduled. That's it, done. And then it will be posting tomorrow at 4 p.m. as you scheduled. So that's a convenient way. If you want to increase your productivity, you can pre-schedule your content, and that's exactly how you would do it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy creating. See you next time.